Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an immersive simulation of block communication in train operations, where we will explore the vital process of ensuring safe and efficient train movements from Station B to Station A. The train dispatcher at Station B presses the call button, and then the call bell at Station A will ring. Then, the train dispatcher at Station A presses the single track button, causing the keretaapiindonesia at Station A to turn white, and the keretaapiindonesia at Station B to turn white. At this stage, Station A has already given a clearance signal to Station B. The train dispatcher at Station B ensures that the switch position is properly set and the keretaapiindonesia indicator has turned white, enabling the departure signal to be served to Station A. After semboyan 40, 41, and 35 are served, the train departs from Station B towards Station A. As the train passes the trailing switch and enters the track section, the train dispatcher at Station B restores the departure signal and switch to their normal positions, then presses the keretaapiindonesia button, which turns red, while the keretaapiindonesia indicator turns white. At Station A, the keretaapiindonesia turns white. At this stage, Station B provides a departure notice to Station A. The train dispatcher at Station A ensures that the switch, entrance signal, and departure signal are served. When the train passes the entrance signal and passes the trailing switch at Station A, the keretaapiindonesia turns white, and the train dispatcher at Station A ensures that signal 21 is complete at Station A. Then, the dispatcher restores the departure signal, entrance signal, and switch to their normal positions. After that, the train dispatcher at Station A presses the keretaapiindonesia button, which turns red, while the keretaapiindonesia and keretaapiindonesia turn red as well. At Station B, the keretaapiindonesia turns red. At this stage, Station A has informed Station B that the train has arrived at Station A.